This is a Maven project for a Java Server Faces J2EE application. These applications, we have two classes, one represented the model and one represented a managed bean. We'll open the pom.xml, examine and see that it has common dependencies for a J2EE Java Server Faces application and also mysql dependency. The application consists of a home XHTML and styles.css and the two classes presented the model and the Maven managed bean. The managed bean has an employees get employees method using JDBC code directly inside this method, and just below a method to get a connection. After the get a connection, it performs a select and populates the model. The configurations for the connection are hard-coded in the class itself, which is very common in those days without the good practices we have today. This is the employee, the model that has just an ID and a name. The home HTML has a data table which will interact the employees list and display the ID and the name. The CSS just have very common configuration, make some color differentiation when displaying. Now let's build the application. And that's it. The application has finished with successful build, and the employee.war was stored in the project root. Next, we will copy the .war to the web app piece in Apache Tomcat in order to execute it. The file was copied, and now we will start up Tomcat. We already have in a database a table. That table has the employee with some records already inserted in it. Tomcat is on air. You can see in its init page. And now we will run the employee application, and that's it. JDBC was executed directly inside the managed bean and displayed on the screen.